Hello guys, welcome to the ninth lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In this lesson we're going to have a look in editing section find. So what does a find do? At first we will have round a bunch of paragraphs, and then if we want to find some words, like I want to find video, I want to see how many videos do we have in this paragraph, in this whole paragraph. We only have 4 videos in our entire paragraph. Let's see how many online do we have. Actually we have 2 onlines, and if you want to search for 4, we have 5 fours. So if you want to find anything, any word, like you want to find a name, like if there is any name like Katie, John, or anything, you may search for your in here and you may find the name. The next option is about advanced find. Let's see what does advanced find do. For example, we'll search for that. Let me see. How many that's do we have? Find. So we have one that. Find next. When we click find next, we'll find another one. There is another that. Another. Okay. Like there are 3 or 4 that's. So this is how you find things. What is replace? For example, I want you to find each that and replace them with who. So let's find that. Yeah, the first one. I want to replace it. When I say replace, it will replace to who. And if I click replace all the that's will be replaced with who. So let's do it. And it says all done. We make 2 replacements, like the first one and the second one. So let's check how many that we find. There is no that anymore, so let's search who. We have 1 who, 2 who, and 1 is in here. This is find and replace. Let's go for go to. If you want to go like for any page numbers or any pages, as an example, there would be a bunch of pages, so it will go to the page. Let's have more texts. As an example, we have some pages. We will go to find and advanced section, go to. Let's go to page 5. Yeah, it goes for page 5. If you want to go for page 8, it'll go to page 8. So we have section, line, bookmarks, and common. We will set the bookmarks, comments, and footnotes, everything in the next episodes, okay? About the objects, headings, every stuff. I think we have a set headings. If we have any heading, we can find the heading. This was advanced find, and also it is the same go-to that we studied. Okay guys, this was the 9th lesson of Microsoft Office Word. In the next lesson we're going to study insert section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our page, and don't forget to follow the lessons.